we have a problem with Pakistan about the home remedies which we use and how our elders actually keep on guiding us on using, like for example, maswak is better than toothbrushing, which is absolutely wrong. I personally believe if our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had toothbrushes at that time, he would be using a toothbrush rather than a maswak. But then again, it wasn't made then. In the same way, people use soda on baking soda on their teeth to whiten them, which is very wrong because it tends to demineralize your tooth structure and actually makes them extremely weak and sensitive. There are other procedures like there are a lot of other things like massaging your gums with haldi and everything, which actually in a way stains your teeth and tends to make them more yellow. So please have faith in knowledge, in the new researches, and follow them.